Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a topic that honestly feels a bit like a tech time capsule, but in the best way possible. We're talking about the Nvidia Shield TV, a device that just keeps on giving. It's been over 6 years since Nvidia last released new hardware for the Shield. Yet here we are, talking about another software update. This time, it's the Shield Experience 9.2, and it's rolling out with some really thoughtful quality of life improvements. This update isn't a massive overhaul, so don't expect a brand new interface or groundbreaking features. Instead, Nvidia is focusing on refining the experience, which is a fantastic goal for a device that, for many people, is at least half a decade old. This dedication to long-term support is one of the main reasons the Shield TV has maintained such a loyal following. While other tech gadgets get abandoned after just a couple of years, Nvidia continues to polish and perfect its streaming box, proving that great hardware can have an incredibly long lifespan when backed by consistent software support. So what's new in Shield Experience 9.2? The main focus is on accessibility. Nvidia has added a pairing alert sound, which is a small but helpful audio cue that plays when you're repairing a Shield remote or controller. This makes the setup process a little easier, especially for those who might benefit from an audio confirmation. They've also introduced a new feature called bounce keys, and while the official changelog doesn't go into detail, this is typically an accessibility function designed to prevent accidental repeated keystrokes. It's great for users who might have tremors or difficulty with precise button presses. Continuing with the accessibility theme, the update also implements a key repeat feature and adds a new settings menu for accessibility timeout. These are subtle but incredibly important additions that make the Shield TV more usable for people with disabilities. It is really commendable to see a company go back and add these kinds of inclusive features to older hardware. It shows a genuine commitment to all users, not just those buying the latest and greatest tech. On top of these enhancements, Nvidia also squashed a particularly annoying bug, an audio dropout issue that many users were experiencing while watching content on Disney+. If you've been frustrated by your sound cutting out mid-movie, this update should be a welcome fix. Now, one of the most impressive things about this update is its availability. It's not just for the 2019 Shield TV and Shield TV Pro models. Nvidia has confirmed that the 9.2 update is rolling out to all Shield devices. We're already seeing reports from users on Reddit who have successfully installed it on their older 2017 Shield models. This is almost unheard of in the consumer electronics world. Think about a device from 2017 is still getting meaningful software updates that improve its core, functionality, and accessibility. This level of support really sets Nvidia apart from the competition. While other streaming devices might get a security patch here and there, the Shield gets feature-rich updates years after its release. It really puts things into perspective when you look at the broader Android TV landscape. We see Google rolling out home screen updates, and Chromecast finally getting a security patch after a long wait. But the Shield's update cycle is in a league of its own. It's a testament to the quality of the original hardware. The Tegra processors inside these devices are still powerful enough to handle modern streaming demands and new software features, which is why Nvidia can continue to support them so effectively. For Shield owners, this is just another reason to love their device. It's a reliable workhorse that just gets better with time. For those considering a high-end streaming box, the Shield's track record for long-term support is a massive selling point. You're not just buying a piece of hardware. You're investing in an ecosystem that the company clearly cares about maintaining for the long haul. So, if you own an Nvidia Shield TV, be on the lookout for the Shield Experience 9.2 update. It should be rolling out to your device automatically, but you can always check for it manually in the settings. It's a small update, but it is packed with thoughtful improvements that continue to make the Shield TV one of the best streaming devices on the market, even all these years later. What do you think about Nvidia's continued support for the Shield? Are you still using one? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments. Thanks so much for watching. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech news and reviews. We'll see you in the next one.